So we have often heard about a yoga called Buddha-Aditya Yoga.
Yes.
And it is formed when Sun and Mercury are together in a horoscope. So it is said that when we have Buddha-Aditya Yoga in a horoscope, the person is intelligent, he have good decision-making power. The only condition that we have to check is that Mercury should not be retrograde or combust. So as far as Sun and Mercury is concerned, first of all, maximum time they are together. And means together in one.
It will remain combust most of the time.
Most of the time.
And as you are saying that Mercury should not be combust.
Right.
But there are certain people or certain astrologers which are astrologers of repute. They have the opinion that Mercury is combust. Even then Mercury is okay. So the combustion doesn't apply to Mercury. So if Sun and Mercury are together, it is enough. It is Buddha-Aditya Yoga. And majority of people, 70-80% of people will be having these Buddha-Aditya Yoga because Sun and Mercury remain together only. But we have to see whether Sun and Mercury are good or bad in the horoscope. Means what is the intelligence level of the person. Right? That is important. It is not because the conjunction of Sun and Mercury, it is because it will be because Sun and Mercury will signify the houses which signify intelligence. Not only Mercury signifies intelligence, that is the natural karka or the signification of Mercury. But Jupiter can also signify good intelligence, Saturn can also signify, Mars can also signify. It is about the houses which they signify. And all the time the dasha of Mercury will not be in the operation. All the time Sun's dasha will not be in the operation. And maybe the person will die without the Mercury's dasha in the operation. So if the dasha of the planet is in operation, which is signifying good houses of intelligence, that person is intelligent. It is as simple as that. And you have seen this at one given moment the person is acting very intelligently, another period of time may not be working that much intelligently. You can have an example of Indira Gandhi. When the country was in war with Pakistan, she was working very, very intelligently, but in the emergency time, her intelligence failed, her wisdom failed, and the emergency came into the being, and that was her blunder decision, and that was because of the downfall of Indira Gandhi. Because at that particular time, the intelligence failed, the wisdom failed, because the periods of the planet which were operating were of failure. It is because of that. It is not because Mercury was good or Sun was good or there was a Buddha-Aditya Yoga or there was some or the other yoga. It is something like that.
So basically, again, we will say that there is no birth promise. It's basically upon the dasha and the strength of the planet.
Yes, definitely. Not the birth promise. It is the dasha which is operation. That is the same. Means 1979 she was jailed, and 1971 she was the most powerful person.
Let's give an example of a horoscope.
Definitely, you can see by the example.
So now in this particular horoscope, if we see that Mercury is in exaltation,
Yes.
and its Sun is in the 10th house,
Yeah,
means
yeah.
having the directional strength.
Yes.
So if we say that the person will have very good intelligence,
Yeah, very good intelligence. Sun is in the 10th house, the most powerful. Mercury is most powerful when it is exalted. But when we see the houses signified by Sun and Mercury, there the real picture comes. The houses 5 and 9 are there, but 8, 12 also come into being. Means the intelligence houses, they are gutted because they are signified with the 8 and the 12 also. Similarly, that is to the Mercury, 5 and 9 is there, but 8, 12 come into being. 8 and 12 are more powerful because they are signifying in the Samlad and the Nakshatra. And here when we see the Gajkesi Yoga is not there at all.
Buddha-Aditya Yoga is not.
Sorry, I'm sorry. It is Buddha-Aditya Yoga. There is no Buddha-Aditya Yoga. This person will not be intelligent in the period of Sun and Mercury. His intelligence will totally fail. His wisdom will also totally fail. So we can see the same type of horoscope when Sun and Mercury are good.
Now in the same cases, if we say that now Sun is debilitated, it's in Libra, and Mercury is in individual means it's in Venus sign.
Venus, yes.
Right. So again, Sun again, even if it's debilitated, it's have a directional strength. If we say
No,
the
then
same.
leave the directions and
So will we say that Buddha-Aditya Yoga still is there in the horoscope?
Yes,
It's good or
now-
bad again? There is a
now Buddha-Aditya Yoga is there.
Yeah, it is.
Sun is signifying good houses, 9 and 11.
Right.
Basically superimposing, and here also 9 and 11.
And there is
four
no
houses.
negative combination.
No, not at all. And here the Buddha Aditi Yoga will be in operation because the houses signified with Sun and Mercury are good. And it is not only Sun and Mercury. If Saturn and Venus are together and signifying good houses, and their period will be an operation, the person will be having intelligence, nothing to do with Sun and Mercury. So Buddha Tithi Yoga is there in Saturn and Mars also. Buddha Tithi Yoga is in the Jupiter and Mars also. Buddha Tithi Yoga is in Venus and Sun also, if they are together or not together, if they are 212 or 311. And signifying the houses of intelligence is important. So a person will be intelligent if the dasha undergoing, the bhukti undergoing will be signifying good houses of intelligence. If they are signifying bad houses of intelligence, then there will be, the intelligence will not be there, the wisdom will not be there, the wisdom will be cutted. And it is not about Sun and Mercury, anything. And if Sun and Mercury are different houses, suppose Sun is here and Mercury is here, and both are good, so in their periods, very good intelligence. So this is what is actual, what is about Buddha Tithi Yoga. What you have been studying and reading is beyond the common sense. And as we know,
actually it's full of lot of contradictions. We are not able to understand that what significations we should take of the same. As in, like, somewhere it is directionally weak, sometimes it's debilitated. So you don't know that the yoga is there, it's getting cancelled or it's working.
yeah, it is like this only. So Sun, Mercury, this, that, and various other things which we have been talking are the various rules will not be applicable. Simple rule is whether Sun is signifying good house or Mercury is having good house or not. That is all.